starting off with our package of peppermints and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk over medium heat. This is gonna be a super easy, delicious treat that anyone can make. So let's make sure we get all of that condensed milk out. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna add some white chocolate chips with our peppermints and our condensed milk, but you can do whatever kind of chocolate you like. I just think that the white chocolate really lets the peppermint shine. So we're mixing this all together and we're gonna let those peppermints melt. We're gonna let the white chocolate melt and we're gonna let it get nice and combined with that sweetened condensed milk. So we're just gonna keep mixing it until it is our preferred texture. All right, I think this is the best it's gonna get. It looks velvety smooth. So now we can take this off of the heat and bring it over to our workstation. Oh, all right, we're gonna put that to the side. And we have here our gingerbread silicone mold. And before we get our mixture in there, I'm gonna add a little bit of green sprinkles to just add some festiveness, but this is optional. You can keep it as is. But we're just doing like a little light sprinkle. We don't want the whole gingerbread to be green, just little pops of it. Perfect. All right, and I have a spatula here, and now we can kind of fill up our gingerbread mold. Start with a little, and then we can always add more because we are making a peppermint fudge. Oh. And so if you don't have a silicone mold, you can just use whatever pan or pot or whatever you want to make your fudge in. But I think that this little mold is so cute, and I already had it from last Christmas, so I was excited that I got to use it again already. All right, these are all filled up, and now we can go ahead and put them in the fridge so they can get a little bit hardened. All right, we just took out our peppermint fudge. Let's go ahead and pop them out of the silicone mold so we can see our gingerbread.
Moment of truth.
Oh, look how cute he is! Oh my goodness. This is so fun. I absolutely love that for the holidays. So let's go ahead and get all of our little gingerbread men out so we can give one a taste. Look how cute these are! Oh my goodness. The peppermint kind of gives them like a pinkish hue to them, but I still think they're cute. Let's give it a try.
Is it good?